All right, guys, so I was at the Dreame booth today. We had Derek Rose come out, which was pretty sick. It was a really fun show. There's obviously a lot of stuff that Dreame has. Their vacuums, they have the robot vacuums, they have the wet and dry vacuums. They even have their vacuums that clean out your pool. They have lawnmowers, so they have all sorts of stuff. It's definitely a really fun booth. And the fact that they even had Derek Rose come out was kind of sick. But besides that, they just honestly have really nice, really cool products. So let me show you some of these. I saw the show, and some even demoed by Derek Rose himself. So we have the Cyber X. This thing can actually climb stairs, which is actually wild. So it can literally go up these stairs, which is crazy. That's definitely one of the things you gotta watch out for, because like if you're at home, then you can use this to go up and down, so you don't have to carry it. Because like I actually bought two smart vacuums because I had one upstairs and downstairs, but with this it can do it with just one vacuum, and it can even climb spiral staircases apparently. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, look, watch this. It's gonna be able to climb the stairs. So it's got to dock its little ship so it can go up the stairs. It's trying to fit it into a little shell. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
So it hits the corner and obviously can turn, and now it's prepping itself. All right, the legs fold out and then it approaches. You know, I actually thought it would actually climb it like with legs or something, but no, it actually just rolls. So as you can see, it goes straight and then it can just roll up it, and then it actually judges distance and it kind of adjusts for the height as it moves up.
This is the X60 Max Ultra. It has this laser. It'll hit the point and it will see the height, and then it will actually retract its actual laser from the top, which is really cool. So it's actually very smart and it's able to detect this, and then as it retracts it, it goes down, right? So then now the laser is down, so it can actually fit under things like your bed and your sofa and your cabinet.
So we have the X60 Max Ultra Complete. This thing has the ability to dynamically dodge items. So you can see they took the little items in their hands. This thing has really good detection. So you can see the bin in the middle, and it was able to go around it. You can see the red solo cups. Now it hits the corner. It doesn't like bump into the corner like some, I guess, dumber robots do. Instead, it can actually detect the corner, which is really good. And it kind of spins out. Now they threw a sock out there, and then it saw the sock, and then it moved out of the way. And then of course they threw the bear, but then it dodged out that. Obviously in real life, it's more that like you're walking around or pets are walking around and it's dodging that. So that's why it can like dynamically see stuff, which is really great.
One go. One clean. That looks pretty crazy. Look at the marks. In one go, all of it's gone. That is kind of crazy. That's super efficient. So we have the Dreame Aero Pro. This thing cleans quite impressively. This is definitely the one to look out for, right? All right, so now we got the demo of the H15 Pro Carpet Flex. So we got some oats on the floor. I don't know how many people like their oats on the floor. Got it going, the oats. It's cleaning it up in one go, one pass.
All right, so we're moving to the air purifier section.
All right, so we have the Air Pursue PM20 right here. This one basically cleans out the air for you, and it's actually honestly very effective at doing that. We actually demo it with the smoke in the air and then it cleaning it out. It's actually pretty cool, and it also oscillates, which is also very useful. So you can kind of get all array around your room, which is really good.
So this is the Furcash Air Purifier AP10. It's an upgrade for our AP10, and it's also a pet air purifier.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, takes in air from the bottom, strong suction, goes through 5 layers of filtration, and coming out from the top, forming a loop. We call that the loop boost technology. It has an upgraded pet seat. This is cloth, very smooth, very nice touch. A larger seat as well for larger pets.
So at the cordless stick vacuum section. Whoa, that's super strong. It can actually lift that. That's a really powerful suction. How much weight is that?
40 pounds.
40 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay, so it can lift 40 pounds on the fan. That's crazy.
So Derek Rose is demonstrating the Z30 vacuum. It's one of the most powerful ones, and it can actually last for 90 minutes on battery, and it can also vacuum pet hair as well. So they're showing off their V30 cordless vacuum. It actually has the ability to cut the hair off. So a lot of times the hair gets tangled, but because this thing actually has a brush that could actually cut it and it never gets stuck. This happens a lot to both my robot vacuums and my cordless vacuums. So with this, you don't have to worry about it getting jammed or you having to kind of like clear it out. So the vacuum has actually a light built into it that helps you kind of see the dust a little bit more. I have one of these at home too, and you know, it can really see all the little dust on the ground, which is very useful if you're trying to find stuff, but it's also scary because you'll see how dirty your floor really is. They also show that the vacuum actually can even bend to like get lower angles, which is pretty cool. I haven't really seen that ever on a vacuum, but this lets you get under stuff a lot easier without, you know, having to actually get low to the floor yourself, and it makes it just a little easier for you, right? And then I can also extend for taller people as well. So now we're in the personal care section where they have a lot of hair products.
Now over here we have a Pilot. So this thing is actually really cool because it has a camera sensor in front, and then it actually has a camera that pops up from top. So if this thing gets way too close to your head, it can actually detect that it's close and the heat will actually decrease. So this is really good for like not burning your hair. All right, so the Miracle Pro is similar to what you had before, but you can actually have essences inside that you can actually spray out, which is really interesting. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 and makes it more convenient if you needed that as well.
They actually have the Cyber 10 Ultra that can actually pick up a ball and then move it across. So this thing can actually do a lot of, you know, movements. It's kind of cool to see a robot. I mean, I think that practical applications is something's blocking the way, it can actually like move it out of the way and clean up for you. And yeah, it just drops in the basket.
But this pool cleaner, basically it can clean all the bottom of the pool. You can also clean the walls of your pool as well. This is their Zircon. They also have their newer model as well that can do even more than this.
So the A3 all-wheel drive series, you can see that it can actually climb slopes up to like 80%, which is what they're kind of demonstrating in this demo. It's actually quite good. And then also demonstrating how well the tracking, the LiDAR, and how well it moves, so it can turn through the corners, and it can really just move through the terrain. And it can also even go down slopes, which is also very impressive. So this is kind of their lawnmower, and it apparently can cut really close to the edges as well.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all these products I saw and tested at the show. It's really, really good. Some of them, like the robot vacuum going up the stairs, I think that's just super sick. A lot of people could definitely use that. And the fact that it can actually even dodge like dynamic objects, the robot, is definitely going to be helpful when you're just walking around your house and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in any of this, I will leave links down below for Dreame. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Dreame.